total surface area of a cone is 373.66 centimeters squared. Find the slant height of the cone if the radius is 7 centimeters and pi is equal to 3.14. So we write down what we're given. TSA, total surface area, equals 373.66. Then we write down the formula. Well, the total surface area is going to be the curved surface area plus the circle at the base of the cone. So the total surface area equals the curved surface area, which is pi or L, plus the circular base, which is going to be pi r squared. So we let this be equal to 373.66. Then we fill in our given dimensions. So we were told that the radius is 7, and we were told that pi is 3.14. So we have to use pi to be 3.14 in this particular question. If it doesn't say pi is equal to 3.14, you can just use pi. So we swap the pi for 3.14, we swap the radius for 7, and the L stays as it is because we don't know what that is. So L represents slant height in this formula. So slant height is L. So that L there represents the slant height and the L in the formula. So in pi r squared, we swap the pi for 3.14. Again, we swap the radius for 7, and it's going to be squared, and that's still equal to 373.66. So 3.14 multiplied by 7 is 21.98, and we stick on an L. And 3.14 multiplied by 7 squared is 153.86. And that's still equal to 373.66. Then we want to solve for L. So what we're going to do is bring the 153.86 over the equal sign and becomes minus 153.86. So 373.66 minus 153.86 leaves us with 219.8. So we want to get the L on its own. So we're going to do 219.8 divided by 21.98. And 219.8 divided by 21.98 is 10. So the slant height, which is L, is 10 centimeters. The total surface area of a cone is 55 pi centimeters squared. Find the slant height if the radius is 5 centimeters. And again, slant height is going to be represented by an L. So we write down what we're given, and that is that the TSA, the total surface area, is equal to 55 pi. So remember, the TSA, the total surface area, is really the curved surface area plus the circular base. So the formula for the curved surface area is pi or L. And the formula for the circular base is just the formula for a circle, which is pi r squared. And that's still equal to 55 pi. Okay, so we have 3 terms. And we have a pi common to each. So we can cancel out the pi's. And then we just substitute into what's left. So we know that the radius is 5 centimeters. So I'm going to swap that r for 5. And I'm also going to swap this r for 5. So it's going to be plus 5 squared. That's going to be equal to 55. So I'm going to have 5L plus 25 equals 55. So that's going to be equal to 5L equal to 55 minus 25, because I'm going to bring that 25 over the equal sign. It becomes a minus. And 55 minus 25 is going to be 30. And 30 divided by 5 will give us L. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, so L is equal to 6. So the slant height, which is represented by L, is equal to 6 centimeters.